Email marketing continues to be one of the most effective tools for brands trying to build real relationships with their audience and convert new leads into paying customers. So whether you're running a small business, building an online brand, or managing client campaigns, having the right email platform can seriously accelerate your growth. Now, I've tried a bunch of different email marketing tools, and honestly, they can be hit or miss. So some are just too basic, while others are overloaded with features that you're never going to use, leaving only a few that are legit helpful. So today, I'm sharing two of the best platforms that I've personally tried, Constant Contact and GetResponse. I've been using both for years, and they've helped me with running everything from simple newsletters to fully automated sales funnels. Now, we're going to get into how each one works, from ease of setup to what kinds of tools they offer before looking at cost and who I think each one could be best suited for. So if you've been searching for a reliable email service that can help you elevate your marketing campaigns, stick around to see which of these two could work for you. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to kick things off with Constant Contact because between the two, this is the service that I'd most recommend for small businesses. It's beginner friendly, the interface is super clean, and the setup is very simple. And it checks most of the boxes when it comes to features. So if you don't want to spend hours figuring out complicated workflows or digging through menus, this one definitely gives you a smoother start. Now, one of the first things that I appreciated with Constant Contact was the email editor. It uses drag and drop, but it actually feels responsive and smooth, not clunky like some other tools that I've tried. Now, you also get access to a bunch of different templates, all mobile optimized right out of the box, which is super convenient now that most people are just checking their emails on their phones. I remember the first time I tested it out, I built a clean looking campaign in under 20 minutes, which was perfect since I've been juggling a few other tasks at the same time. Now, that said, I did notice that the layout options can feel a bit restrictive if you want super specific design control or you need to build something really custom. Though I tested the landing page builder just to see how functional it was, and while the design options are pretty basic, it's fast and straightforward. So great for when you need to whip up a quick opt-in page or event registration form. Now, another thing that I liked was the contact management. You can import contacts from CSVs, sync them from tools like Salesforce or Shopify, or use their built-in forms to capture leads. But where Constant Contact really stands out is with its event marketing features. I was able to create a mock event page with RSVP functionality, email invites, and follow-up reminders, and everything integrated smoothly. The reporting showed me exactly who responded and engaged, which was pretty helpful and a great bonus feature if events are part of your marketing. Now, in terms of automation, Constant Contact doesn't have the most advanced systems out there, but it does cover the basics pretty well. You can easily set up welcome emails, birthday messages, and triggers based on opens or clicks. I tried it with a test list and found the step-by-step setup really intuitive, and while it doesn't offer more complex branching or conditional paths like GetResponse does, for simple automations, it does get the job done. Now, they've also added some multi-channel support so you can run Facebook and Instagram ads from within your dashboard, which I tried setting up a retargeting campaign linked to one of my email lists. It was surprisingly simple, and the fact that it pulls in data from your existing campaigns makes it even better. SMS marketing is available as well, but only in the US, so I didn't get to try that out myself. But another recent update is their AI tools. Constant Contact now includes subject line suggestions, email content drafting, and social media post generation. I tested the email copywriter for a holiday campaign, and while the tone wasn't exactly perfect, it gave me a decent starting point and saved me a good chunk of time. Now, for analytics, you get all the essentials: opens, clicks, bounces, unsubscribes, and e-commerce tracking if you connect it with your store. The dashboard updates in real time, and it's easy to follow. I ran a short promo campaign through my Shopify store and was able to see exactly how many sales came directly from my emails. Now, having that kind of visibility really helps me to plan for future campaigns and manage my resources more effectively. Now, for pricing, Constant Contact's Lite plan is a good option if you're just sending basic newsletters and starts at $12 a month. Then for $35 a month, the standard plan adds additional automation templates, A/B testing, and enhanced reporting. Or their top premium plan at $80 per month, which includes SMS, Google Ads, and more advanced personalization features. So if you want to try Constant Contact or GetResponse, which we're going to look at in just a minute, then make sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description below, where we've got some special deals that you won't find if you go directly to their website. All right, so next up, let's take a look at GetResponse. It's an email marketing platform geared towards folks who want more advanced tools and customization. Now, the automation builder here is honestly one of the best that I've used. You can create full workflows based on how people interact with your emails, like opening, clicking, or ignoring messages. I tested it by building a mini funnel where anyone who clicked a product link got a personalized follow-up. If they didn't click, they got a different email entirely. It helped to boost engagement and felt easy to manage thanks to the drag and drop layout. Now, that being said, if you're brand new to email marketing, the number of tools and settings can feel like a bit much at first. It takes a little time to get comfortable, but it pays off if you're serious about building smarter campaigns long term. Now, the email editor is also super flexible. You get over 100 templates to choose from, and even an AI writer that generates email copy based on a few keywords. I used it during a flash sale, and while the content needed some tweaking, it gave me a solid foundation and saved me a chunk of time. Plus, the A/B testing features let you test subject lines with different content blocks, which is great for optimizing performance. Now, one of the most unique things about GetResponse is how many features it includes that most platforms would typically charge extra for. For example, webinars are built right in. I ran a quick test event where people could register through a landing page, get reminders, and receive a follow-up campaign, all without using outside tools. So if you're hosting anything live, it's super handy. Now, they feature a great selection of tools for content creators, so you can build and sell online courses, you can run paid newsletters, or even manage subscribers based on what they've purchased. I used the course builder for one of my clients, and it was surprisingly intuitive. And although it doesn't have the polish of platforms focused entirely on online learning, it still gives you everything you need to get started. Their website and the landing page builder really stands out. The designs look sharp, and I was able to launch a lead gen page in under half an hour with literally no coding. Forms and pop-ups can trigger specific actions as well, which is great for collecting leads and growing your mailing list. And if you run an online store, GetResponse has e-commerce tools like product recommendations, abandoned cart emails, and even promo codes. I synced it with a Shopify store, and the integration worked smoothly. It let me track revenue and send follow-ups without using any third-party apps. Then, when it comes to analytics, it gives you more than just clicks and opens. You get funnel-wide tracking, automation performance, and conversion data. Now, this did help me identify exactly where people dropped off in the funnel so I could tweak my messaging accordingly. Now, for cost, GetResponse offers 4 main plans. Their starter package begins at around $20 a month and gets you basic features like an AI email generator, importing and exporting contacts. Then the next tier up is $60 a month is the marketer plan, which adds features like A/B testing and abandoned cart triggering. Or if you're a creator, then the creator plan at around $70 a month will include extra features like webinar funnels and content monetization. But for larger teams or enterprise needs, there's a custom price plan available which provides more advanced features like SMS marketing and dedicated IPs. So all in all, if you're someone who wants more control, deeper automation, and tools to really grow and monetize your audience, GetResponse brings a lot to the table. It might take a bit more time to get the hang of, but the value you get from this and all of the built-in tools more than makes up for the learning curve. So to wrap things up, after spending time using both Constant Contact and GetResponse, I can confidently say they're some of the best email marketing platforms around. Now, if you just want something easy to set up with clean templates, basic automation, and solid reporting, Constant Contact is a great pick, especially if you're running a small business or just getting into email marketing. Meanwhile, if you're aiming to scale, sell digital products, or just want more hands-on control over your campaigns, then GetResponse gives you more flexibility and advanced tools. So at the end of the day, both of these platforms are solid, and you really can't go wrong with either one. But if you are deciding between the two, I would say the right choice really just comes down to what you prioritize in terms of features and experience. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more just like this. As a reminder, if you want to streamline your marketing campaigns with GetResponse or Constant Contact, then you can check them out and get started by using the affiliate links in the description below, where sometimes we do have special deals that you won't find if you go directly to their websites. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.